Hi, this is Joe with AJ Antunes. We're going to talk about the 8888 error codes on the ESDZ 1200. Okay, so we're going to talk about the error code 8888 or 48s if you prefer that. We're going to check over loose connections. All right, so we have this connection on the main board here, and then one over here on the display boards on the back side of the panel. They're exactly the same connection. And it could be a loose connection like we have here exaggerated, which could cause an 8888 error code. Once again on the other side here. Also, if they recently replaced the main control board or display board, it could give you an 8888 because they put the multicolored ribbon cable on there. The one that should be used is gray with a red stripe. I don't know if you can see that red stripe here. It's kind of pinkish on this one, but it's supposed to be red. Another problem you could find is a loose connection. It's kind of similar to the error 17. This ribbon cable is like a Scotch lock connector too. You have to make sure this is tightly squeezed in so it pierces the insulation of the wire. If it doesn't pierce the insulation of the wire, it's not going to register. We'll reinstall the clip, and you'll notice these come back in and lock into place. Same connection on the display board.